Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm doing a Mixed Media Mayhem, and our formula for this week is distress ink, circles and stenciling. So I'm doing the circles and stenciling in the one because this stencil that I made from an old folder, so you can still see the crease lines there, is a circle pattern, and I'm going to stencil using this. And just let's get on with it right now. Okay, there is my completed page. I've done the ink blending using Distress ink, and I tried to go for an ombre look, so I wanted it darker down here and lighter up here. Unfortunately, I covered a lot of the lighter stuff, but I guess you can still see that this up here is lighter than down here. And I use circles. They are in the pattern I used for the stencil, and also this element here. And I guess the teapots and the cups have a circular design to them as well. So that is my page for Mixed Media Mayhem. Make sure you check out the list below of everyone else who is playing along. If you've liked this video or this layout, please give me the thumbs up so I know that you've liked it. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.